Students, welcome to our video lecture class. Fine. In the previous lecture and in the online lecture, we all have studied about direct variation. In this sense, if the two quantities are related to each other, if the one quantity is increasing, then second quantity which is related to that is also increasing. Okay. Now, next is inverse variation. Inverse variation, the statement x is inversely proportional to y can also be expressed as there is inverse variation in x and y. It means that you can say that x is inversely proportional to y. Okay, x is inversely proportional to y. So how will you write it? X, this is symbol of proportionality, inverse of y. Y ka inverse 1 by y. Okay, so it is denoted as x is inversely proportional to y. And how can you convert this in the form of equation? X into y equals to k. X into y equals to k. First of all, x equals to, I have transposed this symbol into constant k upon y. Okay, k upon y. So I have shifted this y to the left hand side. So it is x into y equals to k. This is the equation of inverse variation where k is constant. K is constant. Okay, how will you write this one? X is inversely proportional to y, or x and y are in inverse variation, or there is a inverse variation between x and y. Fine. This is what? Equation of a variation. This is the equation of inverse variation. Equation of inverse variation. Getting it? And how you are going to symbolize this? Like this. Fine. Okay, let's do one question based on this. Okay, this is a solved question of your textbook. It is given to you that f is inversely proportional to d square. F is inversely proportional to d square. First of all, it is given to you that d equals to 5 and f equals to 18. So what two quantities are given to you? So what you have to do? You have to find third quantity, that is k. Okay, so how will you do that? You know that f is inversely proportional to d square. Convert this in the form of equation. So f equals to k upon d square, that is f into d square equals to k. Actually it is a small f. F into d square equals to k. Now what f is given to you? 18 into what is d given to you? 5. 5 square equals to k. So 18 into 5 square is 25 equals to k. So k equals to, multiply this, 25 8s are 200, carry 20, 25 1s are 25, 25 plus 2 is 45. So what is the value of k? The value of k is 450. Fine. Now based on this, something is asked to you. If d is 10, find f. D is 10, find f. You know that f is inversely proportional to d square. So f into d square equals to k. What is f? That what we have to find it out. And d is 10 square equals to, what is the value of k? 450. So f equals to what? 450 upon 10 square. 10 square was in multiplication. After shifting it will go in division. Okay. Now do this. 450 upon, what is the square of 10? 100. 0 0 get cancelled. 45 upon 10, f is 4.5. This is your answer. Understood? One more question, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, see, a varies inversely as b. A varies inversely as b, then complete the following table. Now see here, first of all, one bracket is I can say relation is given to you. All the things are given to you. Fine. And based on this, you need to fill these boxes. Getting it? Now see, first of all, what is given to you? A equals to 6. A equals to 6. Then B equals to 20. B equals to 20. And it is given to you that A varies inversely as B. It means that A varies inversely as B. It means that A equals to K upon B. I have transposed in the form of equation. So it is A into B equals to K. This is the equation of inverse variation. Fine. Now, here already A into B is given to you, that is 120. So A into B is given to you 120 equals to K. So what value you have got as a K? 120. Now by using this value we are going to fill other boxes. See, in the second one, A 12 is given to you, B we have to find out, and A into B, that is again K is given to you. Understood? So see, A equals to 12 is given to you and you need to find out B. What equation you have got for inverse variation? That is A into B equals to K. A into B is also given to you, that is 120. Okay, or K is given to you 120. So I'll write here 120. What is A? A is a 12 into B. So B equals to 120 upon 12, that is 10. B equals to 10. So what value you have got here? B equals to 10. And here A into B is 120. Yeah, it's very easy. Getting it? That what we have given to you. Fine. So this was all about inverse variation, students. It's very easy. Fine. Watch this video carefully and solve the questions by yourself. Fine. Thank you and have a nice day.